We are working towards becoming a STEM certified school here in Indiana. We're actually the first one in our district to take on this task. We know that students learn in different ways, so I think the importance of pulling in these different opportunities for them to learn in ways that best suit them. We also have a lot of community involvement that goes through with this process, so it's reaching out to people in our community that come and support us throughout this process as well.
Some of the things you might see within a STEM classroom might be a teacher that might have a guided reading group working with students in reading, where they might pull a book for the reading group that might focus on engineering or possibly one of our sciences. So it's not so isolated. We might incorporate real life scenarios and problems where kids are coming up with solutions like they might in the real world, and it makes those connections for them to the real world and to a possibility of their future within the workforce.
I teach third grade here, and I'm working on incorporating STEM across the curriculum in the classroom, and I'm also on the STEM committee, and we're helping to become certified as STEM. It gets the students so involved. They are in charge of their learning. They help pick what it is they want to learn about next, what are their interests, and then it's them guiding the learning and the process and the questioning. They're the ones that are deciding where we're going with it.
This project started back a couple of years ago when we had two schools unite and come together. And a part of uniting, we were going to be the downtown elementary school, and we decided to become a Indiana STEM school. Now, we are applying for the STEM certification for the state of Indiana in the fall of this year, 2022. But we're going to be a STEAM school. Even though we're applying to get the Indiana STEM, we're still going to include the arts. We want everyone to learn and everyone to succeed. Now, we may be the first who is applying for the STEM certification, but we won't be the last.